I know that after all these years that you try to make money in Forex, you think yourself as a loser in Forex. And that's not true. Not only it's not true, it's exactly the opposite. Because think about it. If you would have done the same orders you did, the same things you did, but only the opposite, you would have been the winner. Your only problem was that you try to make money in a market that doesn't want to give you money. That's all. If you would have changed your mindset and reversed your mindset, then you would have succeeded. Every account that you wiped was actually account that you doubled. All you had to do is do the exact opposite. Instead of wanting to win, you needed to want to lose. And then you would have won. Start applying this today, subscribe to my channel and see how I do it myself. It's very easy, you'll be surprised. Start changing your mindset regarding Forex. It's easy and it can be done today.